your life a light.
I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you.
Okay, so today is Wednesday. I know we've been really lazy on the videos, but we got unloaded this morning out by San Francisco. That was a Han load. We got it unloaded out there. Then we went down to where did we go? Los Banos, that's what it was. Went down to Los Banos, picked up a load down there, and now we are heading back to Iowa with this load. I've come across Donner yesterday, as you saw. When we come across there, we had a little bit of snow, a little bit of rain, then back to snow again, then back to rain again. Today so far, we're up, getting close now. We're not quite up at the pass yet, but we're heading up that way. As of right now, it's just raining. So I just wanted to get you guys an update on what was going on. After we're done with this load, I'm not sure what we're doing. We put on our home time request again for Friday at 6. So far, the last 3 weeks, they've been really good about getting us home when we asked to be home. So not even really good. They've been doing it. I mean, there's nothing else you can say. The only day, or the only week we wasn't was last week, and that's because, as you guys know, we were stuck out in Wyoming. They have no control over that, so wasn't nothing we could do about that. So with this delivering Friday, or dropping this Friday at 1 o'clock, I don't really know. I don't know what we'll be doing. So we're just at a rest area right now. I just got done doing my post trip, and Donna's coming now, and then she'll have to get her pre-trip done, and then we'll be heading out of here and heading towards Iowa. So I'll get a video put together for you guys tonight. I'll start over again tomorrow.